The LG thing became official, by the way. That's a bit unfortunate. It's a bummer.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I saw some people on Twitter like, look, it's a bummer. Don't you dare forget what LG did in the space. I see that out there.
Mm-hmm.
I also saw some people saying, well, if you cared so much, why don't you buy these phones over the last few years if you cared so much?
Call them out.
That's just what the internet does, right? It's a little bit of column A, a little bit of column B. It just doesn't, I think you always miss something more when it becomes official. You know, you start to reminisce a little bit more.
Uh-huh.
You take everything for granted when it's there and available.
Yeah.
In life. That's a human problem.
Appreciation.
No, man, the grass is always greener.
Yeah.
You know? But it is official, I guess. I saw all the reports come out this morning, even though we talked about it. I don't remember when we talked about it. See, the writing was on the wall. The reports were coming out, and then it became official. LG exiting the smartphone business, even after some of the coolest form factors, including the latest, that LG Wing device.
Yeah.
Some questions remain, though. What happens to my current LG phone as far as software now that the smartphone portion shuts down?
Mm-hmm.
That's a valid question, Will.
Yeah. They make software too.
Well, the key factor here is they're not going out of business. Look at that TV in the background. Best looking TV around.
Yeah.
You know who made it?
I have a suspicion.
Tell him, Willie do.
It's LG. What is this show right now?
I'll tell you what his show is. It's just this is exactly
Just
this
two
is
guys talking.
This is exactly what's needed right now. A lot of crap going on out there.
For sure.
A lot of people out there telling you how to think, telling you what to do. We're not going to do that to you.
Yeah.
No. We got respect for you. We just present what's out there. Try to cover it all.
Mm-hmm.
Try to showcase both sides of it. And go for a ride. That's about it.
Yeah.
Anyway, so LG still got a business. They still got a brand to uphold. They can't just be leaving you hanging out there. And so they're going to keep supporting software on certain devices. Not all of them, but fairly recent ones. In fact, this article over here, Android Authority, what are they saying? Some of LG's phones will be upgraded to Android 12. You know, Google doesn't want these people being hung out to dry either. So I wouldn't be too worried about it myself, but I can understand the questioning around that. Anyway, RIP LG smartphones.
Yeah.
Who knows? Maybe a comeback one day.
Sure.
Because remember, you opened up the phone lines. You said, look, whatever you need, LG. That was you.
Yeah, I'll buy the phones.
You just
You
bought.
make them, I buy them.
That's right. You just like store them over there.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Pretty much.
I'm like, Will, I don't know
Like, why
how feasible
do
this
you
is
have so many?
long term. You'd be better off. You should probably just buy some NFTs instead.
No.
They don't take up as much space.
Yeah.
That's what LG has to do. Never mind making the smartphones, just make smartphone NFTs.
Sure.
It's just a LG. It's an LG wing that just keeps on like.
Yeah.
And then it's easily, $20, $30 million.
Oh, yeah.
Get you back into the profit zone.
Well, for now, just pour one out.
You're pouring one out.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. I thought that's what we had the dogs for. On the floor.
Yeah, they do that too. Every day. All the time.